Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla. In this video, we are going to learn how to add unique constraint to a column. The unique constraint ensures that all the values in a column are different. This means the values which we are inserting to the table is completely different to each other and there was similarities in unique and the primary key and they made the column as unique because they both having same similarities. But in case of unique, there is a drawback. If we given a blank value, it takes as null value. That means it is also a unique entry. So this won't be work for primary key. Primary key is always not null value. And a primary key constraint automatically has a unique key. That means a primary key has an inbuilt feature of unique in itself. By the way, we can add multiple unique constraints to a table, but primary key can be added once only. Here it is the syntax to add a unique constraint while creating a table. There is two methods to create table. One is our regular type as at the end of the one is our regular method, that is after data type we have to declare the constraint, and the second one is after creating complete table and at the last we can supposed to specify unique and that column name. This makes our column as unique column and we can add multiple like this. And the note is the not null and unique key makes a primary key. That means, as I said, unique key has similarities as primary key, but the null value is a unique value. So if we added a not null to that value, then it become a primary key. And this is the alter method after creating the table. The second method is a common method. After declaring all the terms, we can simply add unique to that as a place of constraint. But coming to the first method, we simply write add unique and we supposed to specify the column name. Let's move on to the workbench. To use our database, run the command as use Ismail Bajarla because it's my database. Then we're supposed to write create command and we are going to add the unique constraint here. And my table name is students and my first column is ID and it is an integer, so I specify the data type as int and integer and it is not going to null, so I specify not null and the each ID should be unique, so I place unique here. And my second column is varchar and and my second column is name, and you know that the name is character type, so I supposed to choose varchar and its length is 40, and this is also a unique constraint. And the last column is address, and address is it is also a varchar and the length is somewhat bigger than all the constraints, so I take it as 255. Let's run the create table query. Our table is created, so let's write describe query to check whether it taken or not. My table name is students, so describe students and run this query. Here we got, as I said, the primary key, the unique key, the two unique keys are present over there, but there is a primary key. That means not null plus unique makes a primary key. And in second column, it is simply unique key because we didn't mention any not null value to that. As you can see here in the note, not null plus unique is a primary key. Now we're supposed to create the table 2 in second method. I create the same table with the different name. Create table student, create table student 2, and my first column is same as integer and not null, and here I am not going to mention as unique. And in second column name it's a varchar, and the address is the varchar only with the 255 length, and here in the last column we're supposed to add unique of that column name and how many unique columns we require. We're supposed to add all the columns here, unique and the column name, unique and the column name, like this. And let's run this query, and let's describe this query. Here we got a primary key and a unique key. It is the same thing as we just created. The both tables are like same. Now we are going to alter. That means we are adding a constraint. Yani we are going to add unique constraint to the address column also. So let's write the query as alter table students and modify column. This is the first method I am doing, which is a regular method, and our column name is address, and address is varchar and it's a unique key. Let's run this query and let's run describe query. Here we got because all are the nulls, and then it become all the unique key values or unique key constraints. And let's go to the second alter method, alter table students 2. Here simply add constraint unique and the column name. And here we go. As you can see, we are having one primary key. That means ID is only the null. The remaining two are not null. So the ID column is only not null. The remaining columns are take the null. So it become primary key and the remaining become not nulls. This means our unique key is added to the columns. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share this video and subscribe to Ismail Bajarla.